Hello students, welcome back to our class. In this class we have to discuss all the important multiple choice questions from a sociology second chapter labor. Okay, let's begin. The first question is division of labor leads to options are unskilled laborers, specialization, child laborers, equal pay for equal work. The right answer option B, specialization. Next one, the sector where legal provisions do not completely govern it is called organized sector, labor with pay, industrial sector, unorganized sector. The right answer option D, unorganized sector. Next question, the book The Republic was written by options are Plato, Karl Marx, Socrates, Aristotle. The right answer option A, Plato. Next question, Plato wrote in his book The Republic on options are specialization, the division of labor, equality, labor with pay. The right answer option B, the division of labor. Next question, human society is formed on natural inequalities. This natural inequality is based on division of labor was said by options are Amartya Sen, Kautilya, Luther Gulick, Plato. The right answer option D, Plato. Next question, division of labor creates less skilled workers was said by options are Adam Smith, Socrates, Karl Marx, Plato. The right answer option C, Karl Marx. Next question, the sector which is enrolled as per the law of the government and provided fixed wages facilities within the framework of law is called options are organized sector, unorganized sector, labor without pay, industrial sector. The right answer option A, organized sector. The next one, this sector is guided by Minimum Wages Act, Factories Act, Employees Provident Fund Act and many other acts in support of laborers. Options are primary sector, organized sector, secondary sector, unorganized sector. The right answer option B, organized sector. Next question, school, hospital, industries, government related services, commercial banks, life insurance companies, military and others come under options are secondary sector, tertiary sector, unorganized sector, organized sector. The right answer option D, organized sector. Next one, laborers of medical institutions are called as dash laborers. Options are unorganized sector, organized sector, primary sector, tertiary sector. The right answer option B, organized sector. Next question, in this sector the relationship between the employer and employee is not guided by any legal provisions. Options are unorganized sector, organized sector, secondary sectors, primary sector. The right answer option A, unorganized sector. Next one, vehicle repair, selling of goods like vegetables, fish on head, puncture repairs and others belongs to this sector. Options are industrial sector, organized sector, unorganized sector, tertiary sector. The right answer option C, unorganized sector. Next question, a study of circular migration is done in options are Gulamgiri, Foot Losers, Das Capital, The Republic. The right answer option B, Foot Losers. Next one, migration is one of the main features of unorganized sector, organized sector, industrial sector, primary sector. The right answer option A, unorganized sector. Next question is providing facilities like housing, health, water, food, drinking water, equal opportunity to work and others universally and publicly is called as options are child labor, migration, legal framework, social security. The right answer option D, social security. Next one, the Minimum Wages Act came into force in the year. Options are 1994, 1978, 1971, 1965. The right answer option C, 1971. Next question, unorganized sector promotes. Options are child labor, child marriage, inequality, child trafficking. The right answer option A, child labor. Next one, labor is classified into economic labor and social labor by options are Plato, Karl Marx, John Locke, Thomas Robert Malthus. The right answer option B, Karl Marx. Next question is the book Foot Losers studies about options are organized sector, circular migration, industrial sector migration. The right answer option B, circular migration. Next one, the relationship between employee and employer is guided by legal provisions. Options are unorganized sector, primary sector, secondary sectors, organized sector. The right answer option D, organized sector. Okay students, practice this all the important multiple choice questions and we will continue our class with the next lesson most important multiple choice questions. Till then, take care.